Okay, before we begin here, you'll notice the grid pattern here, how far apart these are. Let's say that we want to change that grid pattern. If you'll follow these steps right here, now notice if we change that to 1 and click OK, notice what happens here. The grid pattern gets significantly smaller, okay, 1 inch per grid. That's what we entered. So if you ever want to change that, okay, that's how you'll do it. And remember, this only changes when we do document properties. It only changes the properties for that particular document. All right. The next thing we will look at here, I want you to notice the sketch mode, okay, or how to exit the sketch mode. These two icons right here. If you click on this icon, it allows you to exit the sketch and save any changes that you made. However, if you click this icon after doing work here on the sketch, it allows you to exit the sketch, but it does not save any of the changes that you made. Okay, now just in case you forgot how to get to a sketch, okay, how to begin a sketch, this is our graphics area. First thing we want to do is we want to click on Features. We want to make sure that this has been inactivated. Here in this grade position, it is active, so we want to make sure it is not active, that it looks just like that. Then we will click on the front. Then we click on Sketch, Sketch Tool, or what's well, I'm going to call that the Sketch Tool. Whether it's right or wrong, you know what I'm talking about. And then after we have got to this point, we look at a circle. Okay. Now you'll notice this has got a perimeter circle highlighted here, this little drop down. Okay, and this is just a normal circle. All right. When we choose, and that's what we're going to do, we're going to choose to draw a circle. Okay. This icon, let me show you here. We click on that, and see, we're going to draw a circle, and this we can specify the radius, okay, because that particular option, you see, shows that we're going to draw a circle specified on a radius. But this other option here allows us to draw a different type of circle. And here, a perimeter circle, you see the 3 little dots on the outside there. That means that we're going to choose a spot on the perimeter, a second spot on the perimeter, and a third spot on the perimeter, and that is how we will define our circle. Okay, but we don't want to, well, I'm going to undo, okay, that, and now then we're back to this, and I'll take a look at the instructions here, and we'll proceed the way it tells us to do in the textbook. Hang on just a second. Okay, now I just want to point out here that if we choose the circle here, it's going to give us the type of circle that was activated last. Okay, well, you see here, this is indicating the circle. We're going to select the center of the circle and then drag it. Okay, so we're going to choose this, and when we get this little pencil thing over here, notice what happens when it gets close to the origin there. You get that red dot. Okay, that red dot means that the center of the circle is going to snap to that position when we click the mouse, and you'll notice what happens. Okay, it's snapped to the origin, and let's click that right there. So now then, what we have here, there are 2 terms that I want y'all to notice. The word snap. Snap simply means that when we click the mouse, the drawing or the line or the center of the circle or whatever is going to automatically move to an existing point that's indicated, in this particular case, by the red dot on the origin. And the other term is coincident relation. Okay, a coincident relation means, in this particular case, that the origin and the center of the circle both share the exact same location. Alright, so you need to bear that definition in mind. Coincident relation means that two particular points, two particular features, two particular locations on a point share the exact same location. Okay, now after having drawn that, I'm going to click the escape button twice, and that selects the circle that I've just drawn, and we'll pick up here on the next video.